Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pelumi, and in today's video I want to turn my traditional Iro and Buba outfit. By the way, I'm Nigerian and I'm from the Yoruba tribe, and this is my traditional wear. This is the typical gele, Buba and Iro outfit that the women wear, and I hardly wear this thing. This is the only Iro and Buba I have, and I haven't worn it in years, and I've had it for like 5 years and I've worn it like probably like twice. So I want to turn it into something I can actually wear. I have an idea of what I want to turn it into: a dress with shirred bodice and like a gathered skirt. So I'll see how it goes. I hope it turns out beautiful because the fabric is still so nice. But we'll see. I hope it turns out great. From Iro and Buba to nice modern dress. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and enjoy the video, enjoy the tutorial, and I hope it inspires you to take what you don't wear in your cupboard and turn it into something that you can actually wear. So tools I need, sorry it's everywhere, but tools I need are things I'm going to be using are this elastic thread. I need pins and chalk, seam ripper, scissors, measuring tape, and normal thread, which is on my sewing machine right now, and a ruler. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by cutting the sleeves. I have the scarf here, which is it's 19 inches long, inches wide. So I'm gonna cut the exact same measurements from the wrapper, because I think the wrapper is too big for a gathered skirt. It would be too big, and by the way I need 2 sleeves. So I'm gonna cut off the second sleeve from the wrapper. So I'm placing the scarf on top of the wrapper, and I'm just gonna follow. It's a bit long, but I'm going to make it the same length as well. Okay, now I want to work on the buba, that's the top, and I turn it inside out. Okay, this one unfortunately. So here's my seam ripper. I'm gonna go ahead and seam rip the sleeve of the buba because I need the seam allowance to join it back up. Yeah. Okay, so I've taken out both sleeves, and this is what I have, and I want the waist to be right on my natural waist. So where do I cut it from? I need to cut from about here. Let's see how long that is. That's about 14 inches. So I'm going to measure 14 inches and then I'm going to cut to make the tube top. Okay, so I have my tube top, but I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and reinforce the side seams all the way to the bottom and on the other side as well. Okay, and then it'll be ready for shearing. So I'm going to finish this raw edge with a zigzag stitch, and then afterwards I'm gonna fold the top twice with half an inch seam allowance, so half an inch once and then fold half an inch again. And I'm just gonna pin this. Okay, I'll pin this all around the top part and then sew it down with a straight stitch. Okay, so I'm gonna get that all around, but I have to finish this raw edge first and then I'll finish the top. Okay, so I'm going to thread this elastic thread now on my bobbin, and all I need to do is just lightly pull as I twist it around. And I'm just gonna shirred in a spiral pattern. Since I've already closed off my edges, so starting from the top, I'm going to start the shirring process. I'm also gonna backstitch. Okay, and I won't really pull too much, just let it glide through. Okay, so this is how far I have gone with the shirring. I'm thinking of making this a top with the big sleeves and then making a skirt out of this because I'm loving how it's looking as a top. This is a top, and I'll stop the shirring right here and just let this hang like a peplum, and then have the big sleeve. It'd be nice as a two-piece. It'd be more versatile, I think. So I'm going to gather the skirt and then leave this as the top. Yeah. Okay, as I said, I'm going to stop the shirring right here, and I'm just going to finish the hem of the top by folding in twice and sewing with a straight stitch. So sleeve, I'm going to create 2 channels at the top for the elastic. Put in 1 inch this way, and this will be the channel for the sleeve, and then I'm going to do the same at the top, at the bottom as well. So 2 channels for the elastic band. Yeah. Alright, so I have 2 elastic for my shoulders and then for my arms. So I'm gonna pass it through the channel with a safety pin. Okay, to attach the sleeve to the bodice, I'm going to find the midpoint, no, not the midpoint, the side seams, and okay, great. It's a side seam, and align that with the side seam of the sleeve, right sides facing. I'm just going to take the elastic a little bit back, about 3 inches on the left and 3 inches on the right while stretching it. Just a small stitch on this side and on this side. with this skirt now is I'm going to share it. Okay, I'm going to share it for probably like, let's see, maybe I should even make it a slit. I don't know, I'm just changing and making up my mind, changing my mind along the way. So I'm gonna share it for, let's say, this much, and this is a cinches my waist in this way, and then I'll close the sides and then leave about, I don't know how long, but I'm gonna leave a slit in front. Okay, so it's gonna be nice. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I'll be done with my skirt and the top is done, so I'm happy. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I love the sleeves. I love that it's big and puffy. And then yeah, this is the skirt. It has the shirring detail as well, and I could tuck this in to make it look like a dress. Okay, so it looks like a dress now. Hi guys, so I was just editing the video now and I realized I didn't film like a proper outro, so this is the outro. I really enjoyed the tutorial, turning something that I really didn't wear that much, my native Iro and Buba outfit, into a nice skirt and a blouse, a Reformation style blouse. I really love the blouse, especially the skirt. I'm not so sure, but it's okay. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and please subscribe to my channel. This channel's got to grow, okay? And your subscription is free and it just helps the channel grow, so please do subscribe, like the video, share the video. I hope it gives you great ideas to, you know, transform and shop in your wardrobe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I upload videos every week, so subscribe so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys, thanks for watching. And before I go, I am offering online beginner sewing classes for beginners. So if you don't know how to sew, if you don't know how to use a sewing machine, this class will be for you. It's going to be on Zoom, so you're gonna meet me and other beginners on Zoom, and I'm going to teach you how to sew from scratch. Okay, I'm going to walk you through the very basics of sewing. Okay, so you're watching my videos and you really want to learn how to sew, you really want to make what I'm making, but you have no idea where to start from. This class will be for you, and you're gonna learn how to thread your machine, how to sew a straight stitch, how to make simple projects like a skirt, a very simple skirt, and we'll do other things as well. Okay, so just register for the class. The link to sign up is in the description below, and it's starting on the the first class starting on the 2nd of July, but don't worry, you can sign up. Registration is still open, and if you have any questions, do contact me. And that's it. Bye guys.